In this video, I'll detail how to change Apple Watch Series 9 digital crown from left to right. So you can change this positioning of Apple Watch Series 9 digital crown from your right hand side to the left hand side, so that if you're using the right wrist or you're using the left wrist, you'll be able to switch your Apple Watch Series 9 positioning. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change Apple Watch Series 9 digital crown location, all you just need to do is press the digital crown once to exit the close screen or app screen and go to the app menu. Then click on settings. Once you select the settings, scroll down, tap general. Then after that, scroll down and click on orientation. Once you selected orientation, scroll down to digital crown. As you can see in my own case, I selected right. Now to change the digital crown location or orientation on your Apple Watch Series 9, select left. Then instantly you should see your Apple Watch screen rotated. Then you need to position your Apple Watch like this. You see that? So everything will become normal again. And if you want to return back to the normal or the previous digital crown location orientation, select right. Then you need to rotate your Apple Watch once again. So that's how you can easily change Apple Watch Series 9 digital crown location or orientation. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.